Alright, today is a special treat for the Shelby. I am going to put on a battery kill switch, something that was recommended to me by a friend. It essentially kills the battery when you loosen the top. It cuts off all power to any accessories, anything in the car, and it is a battery saver, and it is also an anti-theft deterrent. If you remove the whole green plastic top, you unscrew it and take it with you, then the car apparently will not start. When you tighten it, it makes the battery hot again, and it's attached to the negative side of the terminal, and it's a very easy install apparently, but we shall see. I am going to use a 1/2 inch wrench, which is not the perfect fit, but it's the best I can find for the nut that's on the negative terminal. So I'm going to remove the negative terminal. I'm going to loosen it here. Move the connection, this 1/2 inch. Now it is disconnected. I'll move it off to the side there. And let's see how well this thing fits onto the terminal. It's a good fit. That said, apparently what you do is you connect this negative terminal to the end here. It fits on. I don't like all that excess play in the wire. Maybe it should be bent down this way so that it is away from the alternator and away from the solenoid. So let's see if we can fit this on here. It looks like it's not going to exactly fit right in there immediately. Add a little bit of force. I might have to separate this a bit. Pry it apart. It's not quite going on. May necessitate getting a screwdriver to pry it apart. Of course, I'm doing a one take here, so I suppose I could edit the hell out of it and show how easy everything is, but I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to go into the house and get a screwdriver to pry it apart. Maybe I have one here. Let's take a look. As luck would have it, there's one on the shelf. It's Christmas every day, is it not? Let's see how well we can pry this thing apart. Or not, as the case may be. Maybe that did it, maybe it didn't. I may have to edit this out because I don't want to bore you to tears. My little struggles. Yeah, it's not quite fitting. Not quite fitting. If it's on like that, it seems a little more amenable. Okay, I am going to, well, got in there a little bit. I'm going to stop the video and you'll see the aftermath. Well, it seems to be fitting in there now. It's not quite fitting right. I'm going to pause the video and it'll magically be fitted in the next take. Okay, with a bit of camera magic, I was able to pry the terminal head loose a bit more so that it would accommodate this. Now it's just a matter of tightening it down with this 1/2 inch wrench. It's a snug fit, but it's very good. Okay, it's snug. I've angled it so the negative terminal wires are away from the alternator, so there's no interference. And we will tighten this down. This will be a very interesting experiment to see how well this works. Snugging it down. So it's nice and snug. And I'll tighten this down. See how well the car starts. That will necessitate me going and getting the key. So we will do another take on that. Okay, the battery kill switch is fully hooked up. Let's see if this car starts. Ah, yes. The pleasant, beautiful smell of burnt exhaust. So pleasant yet so deadly, much like the perfume of a beautiful woman. Attractive but deadly. Now let's loosen this green top here and see what we got. Let's see if we have any juice. See if we have any juice to the battery. Okay, deader than a doornail when this is loosened. Let's tighten it down again. See what we got. Now it's snug. Let's see what we got. We got lights. Let's see if we got spark. Now, let's remove the thing entirely, just to be sure. Unscrew this thing here. You're at a car show, you're distracted, you're talking to a bunch of other car guys, looking at their cars. Oh my God, I'm not watching my car. Who's watching it? Nobody is. But I got this green plastic dial in my pocket with me. I'm away from my car. Let's see what we got. Well, there's no light coming on in the interior, so presumptively there's no juice going through the battery. That's it. Battery's dead. That's a doornail. Car will not start without this. That doesn't mean that somebody can't pull up with a tow truck and tow it away. They want your car, they're going to get it, but why make it easy for them? So there you have it. Installation of a very cheap means of safety or anti-theft deterrence on your car. It'll save your battery over the winter if you're storing your car. I can recommend it. I got mine at Napa. Seems to be good. I have no complaints thus far, but it's early in the game. It's not an expensive thing to add on to it. Doesn't detract from the appearance. And I think it's money well spent. Good luck. Take care.